Alright, we're going to talk about dividing with two-digit dividends. So right here I have 43 divided by 5. The 43, that's the dividend. This one here is the divisor. To do these problems I need to build the house of division. Your house of division looks just like that. On the inside we put the 43, the dividend. On the outside we put the 5, the divisor. Now, so whenever we start off looking like this, the first number inside, second number outside. Now to do problems that look like this, I'm going to utilize the division family, because the division family lives in the house of division. So dad, mom, sister, brother, and Rover live in the house of division, and they will help us do this division problem. The first person to work is Dad. His job is to divide. Dad gets up really early in the morning and he goes out on the roof of the house, and that's where he starts his work. Now, he always checks out the first number right here. Now, this first number here in 43 is 4. Dad sees a 5 can go into 4. And in this problem, 5 cannot go into 4. And basically we realize that because a 5-foot person would not be able to walk through a 4-foot door. So 5 can't go into 4. So then Dad has to slide over one and check out the next thing. And when he slides over one, he doesn't just look at the 3, he's going to look at the whole thing. He's going to look at the 43. So Dad's seeing how many times 5 goes into 43. He wants to see how many times 5 goes into 43 without making a bigger number than 43. So 5 times what equals something as close to 43 as we possibly can get without going over. So 5 times 8 is going to be very, very close to 43. So Dad puts his nut work right up on the roof, right above where we put that caret. Whatever Dad's figuring out how many times something is going into something, we put that little caret there, and Dad says 5 is going into 43 8 times. Now Mom's job is done. Mom's job is to multiply. Now, Mom always picks up right where Dad left off. So Dad left an 8 on the roof. Mom is going to multiply what Dad put on the roof by what is outside. So 8 times 5 or 5 times 8, whatever. So 5 times 8 is 40, and Mom's going to write that number, put that number in the house. And that's Mom's job. Mom is done. Now, next up is Sister. Sister is going to subtract. Now, just like Mom picked up where Dad left off, Sister's going to pick up right where Mom left off. Sister subtracts the number that Mom just put down by the original number inside the house. So Sister subtracts 43 minus 40. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now when we get to this point, there's nothing else up here. There's nothing else up here, so we are done. So we're leaving out 2 people. We're leaving out Brother, and we're leaving out Rover. So these problems here are only going to have Dad, Mom, and Sister working on them. Brother and Rover for this one slept in. Now, this digit down here, this 3, what that becomes is our remainder. So I put a remainder 3 up here. And what that means is, if I take 43 and divide it by 5, I'm going to have 8 in each group with 3 left over. And I'll show that down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll put one over here, 5. So I'm going to split 43 into these 8 groups. So put 1 in here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So that was 40, and I have 3 of them left over. If I give these next 3 to any of those groups, they'll have too many. They won't have an equal number. So if I start out with 43 objects and I split it into 5 equal groups, each group is going to have 8, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3 left over. That's where that remainder 3 comes into play. So our answer to 43 divided by 5 is 8 remainder 3. Our quotient is 8 remainder 3.